In today's video, I'm going to teach you remove user access, our Salesforce fundamentals. We're going to walk through a clear, reliable way to remove someone's access by deactivating their user record. This method immediately prevents login while preserving their history, activities, and ownership for reporting and reassignment later. You'll need administrator permissions to follow along. Start by going to the top right of your Salesforce screen and clicking the gear icon. From the menu that appears, select Open Advanced Setup. Some orgs label this simply as Setup, but the idea is the same. You're opening the administrative area where user management lives. Once Setup loads, use the Quick Find search box on the left and type Users. Click Users to open the full list of user records. This page lets you see who's active, who's inactive, and key details like profile and license. If you have a large org, use the search field on this page to quickly locate the person you're working with. Make sure you're looking at the correct record and that it shows as active before proceeding. Next, locate the small caret icon next to the user you want to remove access from. Click that caret to reveal the context menu, then choose Edit User. This opens the user's details in edit mode. If you don't see the edit option, your profile may not have the permissions required, so you'll need to ask a system administrator for help. On the edit screen, find the checkbox labeled Active. Uncheck this box to deactivate the user. This single change prevents the user from logging in and stops API access tied to that user account. It does not delete any data, and it keeps historical attribution intact. When you're ready, click Save. After saving, you should see that the user's status is now inactive. At this point, the license associated with that user becomes available for reuse, which is helpful for cost control and onboarding. If you ever need to restore access, you can come back to the same place and recheck the active box, as long as a license is available. A couple of quick tips for a smooth experience. Communicate the change to relevant team members so they know access has been removed, and verify that any critical processes or assignments that reference this user have a plan for continuity. And that's it. You opened Advanced Setup, searched for users, edited the correct user, unchecked active, and saved. A fast, safe way to remove access while keeping your org tidy and compliant. Thanks for watching.